all prefer to see healthy and agile animals. If illness or injuries occur, we want to provide the best treatment possible. Bandaging is an important part of the treatment. SNOGG has developed a new bandaging technology for the veterinary market. In this film, we are going to meet 4 Scandinavian expert groups who have utilized our bandages for an extended period of time. They will present some of the numerous applications for the bandages and describe their own experiences. First, let us make a brief product introduction. The Animal Bandage series consists of 4 self-cohesive bandages and 1 self-adhesive bandage. Animal Vet is a unique animal bandage because it does not stick to skin, hair, or wounds. Animal Vet is self-cohesive, soft, porous, elastic, and antiseptic. It does not cause any allergic reactions. Animal Soft features the same characteristics, but it is thinner and it sticks in water as well. The bandages can be used for all types of wound bandaging and cuts and may be placed directly on the wound. Animal Elast is used for treatment of wounded joints, hooves, ligaments, and muscles. It does not stick to skin or hair. It coheres to itself, to Animal Vet, Animal Soft, and Animal Gauze. Animal Gauze is a self-cohesive gauze offering outstanding fixing and a durable bandage. Polsterplast is a foam bandage with adhesive on one side. It is utilized for padding and fixing. Now we are going to look at fundamental principles of bandaging following a joint injection. The bandage is placed directly onto the injection area. To prevent the bandage from slipping, it is important that the elasticity is utilized. Upon bandaging of a hoof joint, the first bandage is wrapped from the pastern downward. The second bandage is wrapped on top of the injection area. First, a 14-centimeter wide bandage is wrapped on top of the foreknee itself. Then a 9-centimeter bandage is wrapped in the upper part of the first bandage for fixing. Notice how the elasticity is utilized upon fixing of the hamstring. Upon bandaging of wounds, the bandage is wrapped directly onto the wound. Due to Animal Vet's cohesive characteristics and cross-elastic strength, it can be adjusted to any anatomic structure. This provides a stable and tight bandage, which is a precondition for primary and secondary layers. Animal Elast is used as a tertiary layer and is cohesive to Animal Vet. Animal Elast is easily removed. It is hand washable and reusable. Upon mold treatment, 1 round of 14-centimeter Animal Vet suffices. The combination Polsterplast and Animal Vet can be utilized as an alternative to traditional treatment of wounds. First, 1 round of Polsterplast is wrapped below the wounded area. Then Animal Vet is wrapped around the wound to overlap the Polsterplast with 2 or 3 centimeters. The bandages do not cohere to each other. Due to the friction between them, stability is obtained. Animal Vet is replaced when required, and the Polsterplast is removed when treatment is finished. Another alternative is to fasten the Animal Vet to the Polsterplast and then place the bandage on top of the wounded area. The result is a cross-elastic bandage which holds extremely well and which may be placed anywhere on the animal. If the bandage slackens, it is easily tightened. Animal Elast provides a stable bandage and is well suited for protective bandaging as it is self-cohesive. A horse troubled with sores in its mouth will always be obstinate and difficult to handle. By bandaging its bridle, the horse's discomfort is greatly reduced. Its training may continue and the healing process is advanced. When wounds are being treated, padding may be called for. Polsterplast is unique in this respect because it is adhered directly onto the area to be protected. If a wound emits a lot of exudate, a compressive pad is made initially to increase the lift and store feature of the bandage. By using SNOGG's simple bandage system, it is easy to achieve a proper and functional paw bandage. This is because the bandages are elastic and self-cohesive, and they may be formed according to need and anatomic structures. This example presents fundamental principles for all types of wound treatment and padding upon immobilization. To increase the durability and wear resistance of the bandage, it is fixed with animal gauze. In case of fractures and ligament injuries, the splint is padded with polsterplast. The splint is fixed with animal elast. This method eliminates the risk of galls. Unobstructed toes increase the animal's mobility and blood circulation, thus stimulating its muscle activity. When a paw stick is required, it is reinforced with animal gauze or animal elast. To prevent staining after tattooing, animal vet is applied as protection. Upon othmotom surgery, a plug is formed by using animal vet in order to protect the inner ear against blood spills. A shaped pad fixes the ear and absorbs suppuration according to the lift and store principle. The ear is bandaged with animal vet and fixed with a wider polsterplast cohering to skin and hair. Bodily wounds may be bandaged in two ways. Polsterplast, featuring a notch for the wound, serves as fixing for animal vet or animal soft. Animal vet and animal soft can be placed directly onto all types of wounds. To enhance the lift and store effect, an additional layer of animal vet is added and fastened with tape. This procedure is used for wounds admitting much exudate. Animal owners can easily change and bandage on their own. The other alternative is to fit a pad of animal vet or animal soft, which is fastened to the polsterplast. This bandage meets the requirements for primary, secondary, and tertiary layers. Animal soft is more applicable for cats than animal vet because it is thinner. One round across the carpus serves as a hold for the padding between the toes. One can either make a pad by using animal vet, which will then stick to the animal soft, or complete the bandaging by using animal soft, depending on case and need. The bandage is formed according to anatomic structures, prior to fixing by using animal gauze or animal elast. Animal vet is utilized upon treatment of various pressure injuries to cows, particularly hamstring pressures, in order to prevent infections in such injuries. Upon treatment of teat injuries, animal soft is used. It is important to utilize the bandage's elasticity. If it is wrapped too loosely, it may fall off. The bandage must be changed for each milking. We have seen some of the areas of application of SNOGG products, and here are some of the reactions experienced by the expert groups which have been visited in connection with this presentation. At Birkeland Animal Clinic, we've enjoyed the use of SNOGG's bandages for almost 3 years now. For horses, I personally use the bandages primarily for the bandaging of joint injections, regular treatment of wounds, mold treatment, to make pressure bandages, and so on. For dogs, there's also much bandaging of wounds. It is also perfect for use as a foundation for plastering, or when applying Hexlet splints to bone fractures. The bandages offer unlimited areas of application. Your own imagination is the only limitation. They're easy to use and very effective. Well, here at the animal hospital in Skara, where we are right now, we have been using SNOGG on this horse, and we believe that these bandages feature an excellent absorbent effect. Consequently, we often apply them on this type of wound.
Her på Bindslev Dyrehospital.
Here at Bindslev Animal Hospital, we recommend Animal Soft to our cattle customers so that they can prevent infections to the teats and the udder.
Vi anbefaler brug av Animal
We recommend the use of Animal Soft for all types of teat lesions, whether they originate on the side of the teat
på siden af patten, eller om disse opstår
or at the tip of the teat due to milking damage,
spidsen af patten,
or whatever the problem might be.
mælkeskader eller hvad det måtte være. Og på
The
grund
bandage can also be used to treat teat bruises stemming from regular teat trampling.
herved opnår vi to
Therefore,
ting.
we're left with two advantages.
Det er jo bandagen.
One is the absorbent effect of the bandage, the so-called lift and store effect,
Effekten. Og
and the second advantage is the protective effect on the local environment of the cow.
for kogens nærmiljø.
Vi har i de sidste 2 år her ved
In the Department of Large Animal Surgery at the Royal Veterinary University of Copenhagen, we have been greatly interested in the application of physiological bandaging principles in the equine wound management. In the wound therapy regimes, we have applied SNOGG bandages as a tertiary layer in the management of limb wounds. In our experience, the SNOGG products are extremely well suited for these purposes because they are easy to apply with an appropriate tension, reducing the tendency of slipping. The SNOGG bandage material is easy to change because it does not adhere to skin or hair.